Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to start with chapter revision of algebraic expression. Exercises were completed before, so today we'll start with the chapter revision. Okay, let's see the first question. A, choose the correct option. तो यहाँ पे 4 options are given, so we have to choose one of the options. So let's see what is the question. First question, 4a into bc, 4a into bc plus 4a square minus b plus 5 is a polynomial of degree. कौन सी डिग्री की है ये? That we have to tell. Let's see the solution. So among these 4 options, 1 is the correct answer. 4a square, the degree is 2 here. b 1. 4a into bc, 4a bc. So what will be the degree of this term? A raised to 1, b raised to 1, c raised to 1. Let's add the powers. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. That means the degree is 3. So the highest degree will be 3. So the degree of the polynomial will be 3. The option is D. Correct option D. That is 3. Okay. Move on to next question. That is second question. Pick the odd one out. We have to pick one which is odd among all these. So A, option A into 5a minus 15, B is 5a into a minus 3, C is 5a into 3 minus a, D is a minus 3 into 5a. So A, option A, 5a into a is 5a square, a into 15 is 15a, plus into minus is minus. So 5a square minus 15a. Okay. The first option is 5a square minus 15a when we open the bracket. B, let us open the bracket. 5a into a minus 3. 5a into a is 5a square, plus into minus is minus. 5 into 5a into 3 is 5 3 is 15a, that is minus 15a. C will be 5a into 3, 5 3 is 15, a plus into minus is minus. 5a into a is a square. So 15a minus 5a square. D is a into 5a, that is 5a square, plus into minus is minus. So minus 5 into 3 is 15, a into 1 is a. That means 5a square minus 15a. So among all these three we can see that A, B and D, these three options are same. Only the option C is different, that is 15a minus 5a square. So this one C is the odd one out. Correct answer is C. Next question 3. 3y minus 3y into z plus 1 plus 3z into y minus 1 is equal to what? That means we have to open the brackets of these terms. First one is 3y minus 3y into z plus 1 is the second term. Third term is 3z into y minus 1. So 3y as it is है, minus into plus is minus, 3y into z is yz. So minus 3yz होगा. Minus into plus is minus, 3y into 1 is 3y. Plus 3z into y plus into plus is plus, 3z into y is 3yz, or you can write zy. Plus into minus is minus, 3z into 1 is 3z. Now let's see the terms 3y minus 3yz minus 3y plus 3yz minus 3z. So 3y plus 3y minus 3y gets cancelled. Minus yz plus 3yz minus 3yz plus 3yz will get cancelled. Minus 3z. So minus 3z is the remainder, that is the answer. Okay. So where is the option? Options are 3yz minus 3z. B is minus 3z. So the correct answer is B. Option B. Okay. Question 4. A minus B into 7 minus 7 into B minus A. Okay. तो क्या आ जाएगा? This is equal to what? वो देखना पड़ेगा. 4 ऑप्शंस दिए हैं, सो वी हैव टू चूज वन ऑफ द ऑप्शंस. a माइनस b इंटू 7 minus 7 into b minus a. तो open the bracket 7 into, you can write it either a minus b into 7 or you can write it as 7 into a minus b. It's the same. So 7 into a minus b minus 7 into b minus a. Open the bracket 7 into a is 7a, that is plus 7a, plus into plus is plus. Minus into plus is minus. 7 into b is 7b. Minus into plus is minus. 7 into b is 7b. Minus into minus is plus. 7 into a is 7a. ठीक है, तो we get 7a plus 7e minus 7b minus 7b plus 7a. तो यहाँ पे कैंसिल नहीं होगा because plus 7a and plus 7a, it adds up to 14a. 7 plus 7 is 14. Okay, with the variable 14a plus 14a minus and minus, that means we have to add with the, along with the sign, negative sign, that is minus. 7 plus 7 is 14b. तो minus 14b, 14a minus 14b. Okay, so the option is C. C में क्या है? 14a minus 14b. Next is 5th question. 0.5a plus 1, close the bracket, minus 0.5a, which is equal to, क्या होगा? Let us see the solution. Open the bracket 0.5a plus 1 minus, तो ये डायरेक्टली ओपन कर सकते हैं. ब्रैकेट के बाहर कुछ नहीं है नंबर, तो देयर इज नो मल्टीप्लिकेशन रिक्वायर्ड हियर. तो 1 इंटू द नंबर इज सेम, तो 0.5a इंटू 1 इज 0.5a प्लस 1 इंटू 1, इफ देर इज नथिंग दैट मीन्स 1 प्लस 1 माइनस 0.5a. यहाँ पे प्लस 0.5a माइनस 0.5a गेट्स कैंसिल, रिमेनिंग इज प्लस 1. ठीक है, तो एज इट इज आप इसको निकाल सकते हो, ब्रैकेट निकाल सकते हैं, क्योंकि बाहर जो है माइनस साइन है और यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई करने के लिए कोई भी कोएफिशिएंट नहीं है, कोई कांस्टेंट टर्म नहीं है. ऑप्शन क्या है यहाँ पे? माइनस 0.25a स्क्वायर माइनस 0.5a, c इज 1. सो ऑप्शन इज c. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज c, दैट इज 1. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया हमारा क्वेश्चन A, मेन क्वेश्चन A. अभी क्वेश्चन B देखते हैं क्या है. ओके, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. फर्स्ट, द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ माइनस 9a, 2b, 0 एंड माइनस 11c इज डैश. तो इनको मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. माइनस 9a इंटू माइनस इंटू प्लस 2b इंटू 0 इंटू माइनस 11c. कोई भी अगर टर्म 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आंसर विल बी 0. सो माइनस 9a इंटू 2b into 0 into minus 11c is equal to 0, because 0 multiplied by any of the terms is 0. So the solution is 0. आंसर जो fill in the blanks में होगा वो 0 होगा. ठीक है, you have to put this 0 in the fill in the blanks. ये steps दिखाने के लिए मैंने लिखा हुआ है, आप directly 0 लिख सकते हो. Second, 18a, 145a, a by 2 and minus 20a are dash terms. तो कैसे टर्म्स है? यहाँ पे देखिएगा a है वेरिएबल हर जगह पे विद अ कांस्टेंट. ठीक है, तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ वेरिएबल है और उनका पावर जो है दैट इज 1. सो ईच टर्म हैज अ वेरिएबल एज a and it has a power 1. That means they are like terms. 18a, 145a, a by 2 and minus 28a are like terms as they have the same variable a with same power 1. इनका पावर जो है रेज टू पावर 1 ही है. ठीक है, एक्सपोनेंट 1 है. अभी देखिएगा. नेक्स्ट, you have to write that like terms in place of this blank. You have to write like, are like terms. Third, the number of terms in x by 2 plus 4a into b minus 5 is dash. तो कितने टर्म्स हैं यहाँ पे? यहाँ पे x by 2 is one term, 4ab is second term and minus 5. There are 3 terms. How many? 3 terms. So यहाँ पे ब्लैंक में 3 लिखना है. Okay. Next, fourth question. 5d taken away from the sum of 8d and minus 6d is dash. Sum of 8d minus 6d. We have to add them. 8d plus sum बोला है तो plus into minus 6d. We have to take 5d from this sum. इसका sum जो होगा उससे हमें 5d subtract करना है. Taken away means subtract. तो 8d plus ब्रैकेट में minus 6d minus 5d. 8d plus into minus is minus 6d minus 5d. तो a plus 8d minus 6d प्लस और माइनस है यानी सब्ट्रैक्शन होगा यहाँ पे ऑपरेशन. तो 2d प्लस 2d बिकॉज ग्रेटर नंबर साइन प्लस 2d माइनस 3 माइनस 5d. तो प्लस 2d माइनस 5d अगेन द ऑपरेशन इज सब्ट्रैक्शन. ग्रेटर नंबर साइन 5 का है तो माइनस, तो 2 माइनस 5 इज 3 और माइनस साइन तो माइनस 3d. आंसर होगा माइनस 3d. सो यू हैव टू राइट इट हियर एज माइनस 3d. Fifth, thrice the product of 4a minus 2b and minus 1 is dash. Okay. Thrice the product of, that means 3 times we have to multiply this 3 term. 3 into 4a into minus 2b into minus 1. Minus into minus will be plus. तो और जगह पे माइनस साइन नहीं है तो माइनस इंटू माइनस इज प्लस, प्लस इंटू प्लस इज प्लस, प्लस इंटू प्लस इज प्लस. a into b is ab. 3 into 4 is 12. 12 to the 24. So the answer is 24ab. तो प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा प्लस 24ab. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन सी, write t for true and f for false. So we have to write if it is true then t, if it is false, the statement is false, then we have to write f. First, 17 is not a polynomial. False. Why? Because a polynomial is a combination of constant and variables. 17 is a constant here. Okay. Second, 12abc and minus 12bca are like terms. Is it? Yes. See, it is 12abc, abc, 12bca. That means we can change the order abc. So it will become 12abc. Okay, the variables are present in both terms, that is 12abc here and this. So these are two like terms. Okay, next, and the power is also 1. Here you have to write t. 12abc and minus 12bca are like terms. True. We have to write t because here it is abc, here also it becomes abc, and the power of these variables are 1. So it is true, t. Third, the coefficient of a in minus 45 AD is 45d. False. It should be minus 45d. Next, fourth, the degree of the polynomial ab cube minus 3abc plus ab is 3. False. Why? ab cube. A has 1 power, b has 3. So 1 plus 3 is what? 4. Therefore, the degree should be 4. False. F you have to write. Fifth, the degree of polynomial 100a is 1. Yes, because a raised to 1 is 1. True. Unlike terms can be added. No, only the like terms can be added or subtracted. Okay? So you have to write F here. False. Seventh, the sum of like terms is another like term. Yes. Two like terms when we add, for example, a plus a will give you 2a. The power remains the variable a with power 1. It has the same power as 1. 2a plus a is 2a. So the power of variable doesn't change. And there is a variable a there. So like terms added will give the sum as like term. सो ट्रू, टी यू हैव टू राइट। तो इसके साथ ही हमारा क्वेश्चन सी, ओके, ऑफ चैप्टर रिविजन अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन का खत्म होता है। थैंक यू सो मच।